rockin' and rollin', but the seagulls poke at my eyes. Not fun. I said seagulls. Ow, ow, ow. My stick won't even stop them. It's much better than bacon, but I can't stop the seagulls. Thank you all for watching. Now, if you enjoyed it, please comment below if you like my stick. And now I'll pick 5 viewers who get 1 clone of this stick. Ready? Our first lucky one is Hilarious Couch Pigeon. Okay, next. Maz Dragon 50. Now for the next one. Smokey YT. And now for the next one. Jonathan Martina. And now the final one. Coding Cuber. I hope you have a happy May the 4th day, and I hope you enjoy this stick who I picked, and have a lovely day.